So what is Daktacort?
See me in the streets, I'm getting money when you see me with my girl. I'm getting money when you see me in the club. Don't act funny, we gon' stay on the ground one day at a time.
Hello my YT family, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about cream. So this particular kind of cream is a special kind of cream, not really like a regular cream. Yeah. So before I go into that, I want to say thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you all for watching my video. Thank you for not skipping my ads. And also, if this is your first time of watching my video or see my face, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And also thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the happy family. Please subscribe to my channel. So let's go straight into this. So Daktacort is a special kind of medicated cream, not just a regular kind of cream. It's more in the class of like the Fumbat A kind of cream, but this has a different function usefulness compared to Fumbat A. Like if you want to know about my review, my Fumbat A review, I'll drop the description link in the description section so you get to see what I said about Fumbat A. Fumbat A is also good, but it has its own area of specialty as in what it does to the skin. But as for this one, Daktacort, it helps. I don't know if I pronounced it very well, but anyway, Daktacort, yeah. What it does, this is my third time of using this. This is the pack. This is how it comes in this pack. So this is how the tube looks like. It is white. So before I go straight into talking more about this tube, is first, please don't skip this video. Keep watching because there's something about this cream I want to say. I have to say first the good side, then before I go straight into the warning. Don't use this cream. If I'm going to list the things you should have, if you have it, if you experience it, don't use this cream. So before I go straight into that, I want to say the good side because I have to start with the good before I go to the bad. Yeah, how to use it. So now what you can do with this is, if you have eczema, if you have ringworm, if you have irritation, if there's any burning in your private parts, is also good for men, not just for ladies that have burning. Men also have burning, and mind you, when you have burning in your private part doesn't mean you were messing around. Yeah, you can have burning if you use a restroom that is not well kept, like a public restroom, or maybe your underwear is not well dry or is not well kept in properly. So when you put them on, you find out that your pH level down there changes. So this is perfect for it. Yeah, as ladies, once in a while, maybe once in 6 months or once in a year, sometimes your pH level there changes, so you find out that you feel some inching. So don't overlook those little inches you feel down below. You just have to use something to counter it, to stop it, because if you overlook it, it's going to keep growing and go to something else. So this is perfect for it. But if you have a very severe case, you need to consult your physician. But for its cases that is not too severe, this is perfect for it. Any irritation, any burning down within, ever since I used it, I have never regret using it. I always have it, so that whenever I feel uneasy down, I use it. Whenever I feel like any part of my skin is over inching me, I just apply it there. So let me not talk too much. You all know what you can do with this. So I'll also list them down below. So let me just go straight to warning. Don't use this if you experience these things I'm about to list now. Don't ever try it if you experience any of this. Okay guys, so let me go straight to list the things that, or maybe if you experience any of these things or you have them on your skin, that you should not use this cream. So first on the list is miconazole nitrate and hydrocortisone. If you are allergic to it, please, this cream has it. Don't use this cream if you are allergic to all this. And also, if you have any open sore on your skin, don't apply this cream no matter what caused the open sore. Like some people, when they have the inching down below, they tend to peel their skin and they have some open wounds. Please don't use it. it's going to cause more irritation. There are other things you can use when you experience such. And also, if you have cold sore on your skin, please don't use this product if you have cold sore on your skin. And thirdly, if you have I've mentioned the open sore, yes, don't use this cream. And also, this cream is not allowed to be used on your face. Please, they are face cream. This should not be used on your face. It's not allowed. I have a cream that you can use on your face. Even if no matter the inflammation you have on your face, the reaction you have on your face, don't you ever try this on your face. It's for the body. And when I say for the body, not for all your body, just for the affected area. So it should not be used like a body cream. So that's the warning, and you should note it. It is very important. It is very important. So now let me just go straight into how to use this cream, how to apply it on your body for effective results. So let me go straight to how to apply this cream on your body. To apply this cream on your body, first, the affected area you want to use this cream, like I said, make sure you use it on the affected area. It's not a body cream, it's not a face cream. You are not allowed to use it in every part of your body, just the affected area. So before you use it, what you need to do, the affected area, you need to wash it with soap. And after washing it with soap, you have to clean it very well to make sure it's dry. Then you take a little of it, because it's white, you can see it. It's white and kind of creamy. So what you just need to do is, let me just use myself as an example. So let me say I have this part that is affected. So what I just need to do, let me just take a little of it, because I don't have any ink there. I'll have to wash it out after this. So just take a little bit, then when you apply it generously. That is after cleaning it, apply it generously. And make sure everything is clear. You can see, you cannot see the white on it. Make sure everything is clear before you leave it. Apply it morning and night, before you go out in the morning and also before you sleep. But make sure whenever you're applying it, you've washed the affected, you've taken your bath and you've washed the affected area before you apply it. Yes, very, very. So which people can use this cream? Adults can use it, children can use it. So children, depending on the age. So to use it on your child, you need to consult your physician, because you need to know what your child is allergic to before you can apply this. But it's not, you are not meant to consume it. Well, no kid is watching this video, so you should know that you're not meant to consume it. It's not edible, it's for the skin, it's for external use. So guys, that is all I have to say for my video today. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye bye.